The Calming Waters collection lives up to its name by inspiring peace and serenity to all those who encounter its beauty and elegance. This model is ideal for covering any large wall space and becoming a conversation piece. It's perfect over a fireplace, sofa, as well as behind a reception desk. It's lightweight, and the easy installation takes only minutes. With 7 metals to choose from, including stainless steel, rustic copper, textured black, woodland brown, copper vein, silver metallic, and antique bronze, it's sure to match any decor in your home or business. The 3-bulb halogen lighting system illuminates the beauty of the featherstone or shimmering mirror as the water glimmers in the light while it cascades down to the polished river stones. Personalize your water feature with an engraving or company logo and observe how welcome customers feel in its presence. It can also have a calming effect on employees, infusing them with energy and creativity. The Calming Waters is offered in bronze and silver mirror, as well as 3 varieties of featherstone, including green, black, and multicolor. Discover the beauty and tranquility from owning an Adagio water feature.